Whoa. Baby is out. Very nice. Here.
Yeah, impact one? See impact? Oh shit.
I saw it on YouTube. I got oil. You want some oil? Oil?
Hang on. It's not.
Shoot it?
No, hang on. No, don't shoot it.
No oil? Well, maybe this one's broken. Crap, maybe this tool is bad. Maybe I should have got it 2 sets.
Okay, fuck it. Got this?
Okay.
On here?
Uh-huh. Go up, right?
Turn. No, down.
Down. Down is the tightening.
Okay, up. Sorry. There we go.
Oh, so the tool's broken?
No.
I'm not sure. It's usually.
So the oil is not going to help?
No, you need, because you need oil in there.
Say again?
You need oil inside. Where you put this one, you're going to just make it
Slippery.
slippery right there.
Oh. Somehow I thought the oil would make it in somehow by itself. Should I put a stick and hold on to the stuff?
No, you gotta hit it in there.
There we go.
Oh, sick. We're slowly chiseling at our problem.
Yep.
One screw at a time.
You want to save that?
Yeah.
You got a 12, 14 millimeter?
14 right here. I don't know which one's 14. Hopefully it's not the one that's broken. Because I broke one of these.
This is a Pro. Maybe the other one's one size 14 and one size 15. Is it?
Yours, that one. This one's not. This is even. Those are odd. Just take the one that's bigger. That's 14. Hopefully I didn't break it.
You need that or did
You did 12?
Bigger,
12.
bigger.
That's 17 then.
Oh, I only have 15.
That's too small too long?
Yeah.
Huh.
So is that big? 17? Oh, the tools I bought didn't work.
Let me see. This
Where's 17? Here's 17.
too big, too big.
Yeah, right here. I didn't bring a cheater bar. So what are you doing?
You're taking out the caliper.
I know,
The
but
bolt bracket.
what are the bolt size?
Huh? Bolt is 17 millimeter.
So there's 2 of them?
You sure that's 17?
So the 17 is close to 11, 16?
Yeah. What the fuck? That was on loose. Okay, this one. Oh, this one.
You need me to get some lights?
No. You got some wires to hang the caliper?
Here, that wire, right?
Yeah.
Oh, those are headphones.
That's okay. It'll hold it.
No, let's find something else.
That's okay.
We got stuff. Don't kill your for no reason. It didn't work. I got wires. If you keep... Not that hard.
Yeah,
Soft.
that's fine.
Let me hold it for you. It's probably more sturdier than headphones.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay. So you're gonna have to take this hopper off, dude.
Oh man, I didn't bring a tool for that.
No, the other one I didn't have to take the hub out.
He just grinded enough space. Or what he did on YouTube, what they do is
You're gonna have to grind
they
half of that
just
down.
grind
Yeah.
1/4 of this and make it slip in.
Okay.
Either that or
Hey, watch out. I'm gonna have to cut this shit off.
You want me to hold it with the pliers?
No.
Okay.
don't leave home without a grinder. Wow, it's like
You got it right
what's it
here.
called? Bread butter?
Like butter?
Or, or
Cut it like butter?
Hot knife through butter.
Yeah.
This guy's done. This guy's kind of done.
Yeah, babe. Yeah.
Like that.
Well, we're not.
Hold it in so I get it.
Are we pushing in or pushing out?
In.
In. Okay.
I'm working this right now. We're cutting it. We're cutting it. Run off, run off. Robert Burnham cutting.
Oh, you know what? Look.
Actually, use Robert Burnham for you.
Pull that out.
I need some space.
Because that one I use only for like DVD and shit. That one. So it's like, you know.
So that's what you like?
You know what? You have. We don't have another nut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a nut.
Just to see if you can hold it like this.
Right here.
No. Well, I don't want to try to put in there because they're fucked up.
Alright,
They're
so
fucked up.
376.
So just push them like that. And watch your hands.
Oh, moment of truth. Bam.
You see how this is all fucked up with here?
Oh yeah. So they were saying like grind some space here and just stick it
Yeah,
through.
you can just cut a piece of that metal off right down the back. It'd be easier just to slide them in. I didn't have nothing to put that little metal plate right there to slide them in from right there.
Hang on, guys. Screwdriver.
A flat or a regular?
Regular.
Regular?
Philip, right here.
No, he said regular.
Philip. Or check.